So I'm literally going to take you guys through a buffet line this morning in the future forecast. Guys, tomorrow we're taking Friday off, so we're going to do this on Thursday. Questions a lot of people have. Is this going to be sustained? Are we going to keep going up? Well, I've got some data to show you guys that say, no, I don't think this is going to be a sustained move to continue moving back up here, as my golden retriever barks in the background. I think we have potentially more room on altcoins to go as far as the downside potential. This is why we still have over $100,000 set up in buy limits, and we have not FOMO'd into this move here at all. With that said, you need to understand some things about what's happening in the market. I thought I would show this little sneak peek to you guys here, and then I'll share with you guys a little bit more about what we just talked about. The golden cross on global liquidity has officially happened. So when this has happened in the past, we saw prices increase 139% on Bitcoin, 2,200%, 1,190%, and we are getting ready for the last and final stage. I've mentioned this before, guys. I do not believe the top is in for Bitcoin. I have never changed that thought pattern ever. I believe we are going up to the next level, which I've shown you guys is about $166,000 on Bitcoin. But I do not believe this is going to be a straight shot up. If you guys actually take, and look at this, because I'm going to show this to you guys today, but let me mock this up for you so you can have some confidence. Because those of you guys who are FOMOing into this move might be sorely mistaken on your aggressiveness. If you take a look at this chart I'll show you guys this morning, and you look at, it's actually red, so I'm going to go red here. If you take a look at the years of 2013, just the bullish year, so 13, 17, and 21, we have taken every day's increase and decrease percentage-wise. So percentage-wise, every single day for the year of 2013, 2017, 2021. Does that make sense, right? Okay. If you overlay this on where the price of Bitcoin is right now, you can tell some pretty significant things. You can tell historically where the Bitcoin market is expected to crash and where it's expected to pump. I won't give it exactly away, but there's a reason why I still have my buy limits open, and I think this could be a massive, what we call, bull trap for the time being. I'm not saying price can't go up. I have a huge conviction Bitcoin's going up by the end of the year. But when you realize how much money, let's get down to what you guys actually came here for, how much moolah you guys can make by actually taking a portion out of the market and rescheduling that money to go back into the market when we expect the lows to happen, not only just from my perspective, but from the year of 13, 17, and 21 all combined together, there is actually a specific date coming up here where I'm looking to throw in the extra $50,000 that I have sitting on the sidelines. I'm not doing it today. A lot of people are FOMOing into this. Heck no, I'm not throwing it in right now. I think there could be another move back down. And so we've got that date that we're actually going to reveal to you guys this morning, which is I think you're going to actually like, and it's going to be pretty fun. So another thing, tradeconfident.io, the future forecast, that's where I just came out with this, and that's where you guys can access it. On the 3rd, I also want to talk to you guys about why has this market gotten so bullish for XRP, Solana, ADA, and others. And then really what I want to do, and I don't want to make this too long, is that I actually am going to go over a full risk management strategy. Like, I think what YouTube is good for is it shows you guys these intraday and maybe like 5 to 7 day outlooks. But what we've done is I spent 3 hours on Grok reasoning to actually build a full scaling out strategy for this bull market. Look, guys, this is my humble Henry moment. The last 2 cycles I didn't do too well because I was still learning cryptocurrency. I then structured a risk management plan that has been I know will be able to seriously help some of you retire in 2025. Because we're taking an unarrogant approach to the market. So a lot of people right now, let me get back to the whiteboard teaching moment real quick, is you guys listening right now, what you're going to try to do is you're going to look at the market and you're going to say, okay, here's where we are in the market. Bitcoin's coming up, breaking its previous all-time high. And you're like, I'm going to hold, and you're going to try to find some metric or technical analysis data out there to time the top. And you're going to say, okay, I feel good about this being the top. I'm going to exit now. Okay, that is not how you exit. Trust me, guys, I've been doing this for 10 years. If you haven't been doing it at least for 10 years, ask a buddy who's been doing it for a decade. That's not how this works. What you actually need to do is you need to find the strategic levels, Fibonacci extensions, resistances, ascending resistance lines, logarithmic curves. You need to give yourself access to that by somebody teaching you, which we're going to do, and share with you guys where these top prices could be. And then on top of this, you need a plan, which I'll show you guys of how we're going to do this, to exit based off different sell limits. We have a full plan. We also have an indicator that I'll show you guys. If you want to put on your chart for free, you can. That is actually called the peak of altcoins in the past 2 cycles. Do you guys know what it is? There's multiple ones, but I'll give you guys one today. So the future forecast today is it's going to take you listening to this. It's going to put you guys in the driver's seat and say, okay, here's all the data. After you watch it, you're going to say, I feel confident now that I can take the money I've worked really hard for and I've exposed to this market, and I know I have a plan now to make money in this market. I plan on, guys, making enough money where I can literally go into retirement after this year. I have $1.3 million in the market right now, and I expect to see a 3, 4, 5, 600% increase on that. But I only can say this because I actually have a rock solid plan to exit. And I'm going to show you guys my whole exit plan for my whole entire portfolio. I will show you guys today in the future forecast. And then every single month that goes by, every Tuesday and Friday, I show every buy, I show every sell that I do. Before I end this, guys, real quick, here's some of you guys just need confidence. A lot of people are down 50 to 60% in their portfolios right now. Our portfolio, as I was very transparent with our members last week, 2 weeks ago, is we are $250,000 in profit right now on our portfolio. We have also already pulled out, extracted, and put back to our bank account $129,000. I showed my tax P&L account to all of you guys. How are we up hundreds of thousands if you corroborate together about 30 to 35% while most people are down 50 to 60? We're not taking the same moves, guys. But I'm trying to get you guys exposed to this because we use such good risk management. Honestly, guys, I feel like the Lord has given me a massive amount of wisdom of how to structure this correctly to keep people safe, but get ready for what's coming. So the link in the description, guys, you will see that we have a sale going on with the indicators. Definitely take a look into that. But the future forecast is what you guys want to click on. It gives you guys 25% off. It's $65 a month. We're going to give you 25% off. It's $49 a month. Once you have that membership, come in and watch the future forecast here on July 3rd. And then every Tuesday and Friday, I come out with a full analysis of the market, sharing with you guys exactly what I'm doing with my portfolios. I have buy limits set up. You want to see my buy limits? Come down here and take a look at every single buy limit I have set up right now, if you would like, and come look at this on June 17th. And you can download them all, and you can follow along. On top of this, you guys will get access to our trade setups. We just called out one yesterday. We have the highest record ever recorded in cryptocurrency history that we can find. 294 wins, 0 losses, and 15 active trades. On top of that, we have an indicator sale going on. I know, we have a lot going on right now. You guys are going to get $650 off the indicators. So when you guys become a member for $49, we are then going to give you $250 off on top of the $499 that we already discounted. These indicators that we use here, you look at the testimonials yourself. This is how we have accomplished the win rate of 294 wins and 0 losses. Some of you guys, the way you're going to make the most money is not by doing this alone. You're going to make the most money by coming under our mentor, realizing I'm not your financial advisor, but somebody who's been doing this for 10 years, who has the charts to help time the top. And if you're paying $65 a month and $49 a month for your first time, and you're able to see a full scale out strategy, you have all of that in your arsenal to be able to make significant gains to change your life for the years to come. When you think of a small investment and you think of how much you have in cryptocurrency, this is where your money can compound. I'll leave you guys with this. Tony Robbins said, you can accomplish anything you want in life. Just find someone who's already accomplished it and copy them. What I'm trying to do is let you guys behind the curtain. With $1.3 million on the line, guys, I care about the money that the Lord has given me, and I want to steward it correctly. And I still plan on making 3, 4, 500% on that easily this cycle. And I'm going to show you exactly how I plan to do this, and you can follow every single step if you would like. At tradeconfident.io, grab a membership, use the discount code, and start watching the future forecast every Tuesday and every Friday. Today's on Thursday because tomorrow is the 4th of July, and I'll come out with the next one next Tuesday. I love you guys. Have a good one. God bless, and I'll see you guys in the future forecast. And I'll be with you guys through this bull and bear market. Bye.